Very good morning, children. Very good morning, children. So today I come out with the new lesson. Last class I had completed lesson number 2, children. So today I come out with a new lesson, that is a fancy dress show. So this is lesson number 3. Take out your textbooks. Come to page number 24. I mentioned it on the board, children. Lesson number 3, page number 24. A fancy dress show, children. Okay. So you will be having. You'll be thinking, what is a fancy dress show? Fancy dress show is a costume worn for a party or a occasion. Okay, a social gatherings of people. So, for example, now if you have a function at home, if you have a function, marriage function, the housewarming means graha pravesham, those things all will be happening. That time what you do, you dress up very nicely and very beautifully, you dress up and you will be inviting your relations who all come to the home. They will come and see you and they will tell you, you're looking so pretty, you're looking so gorgeous, like that. Okay. A social gatherings of people. It's a fancy costume for kids and adults. Okay. So this is a competition, children. Okay. The fancy dress competition is a kind of competition, like how you do sports competition is there, no? Like that, this is also competition. This is what you need to do. You need to wear up dresses, okay? Different kinds of dresses, what all you like to wear. Like, I'll give you a few examples of that, okay? So example is a freedom fighter. You take it as a freedom fighter. Mahatma Gandhi ji, Jawaharlal Nehru ji is there, Subhash Chandra Bose ji, or Bhagwat Singh. Many people are there, children. Like that, you can dress up like that and you can go in front of the stage. Okay. That is a competition. You will be getting prizes also for that. If you are dressed up well and if you give a good speech about your, about your, sorry, children, about your India, about our country, that time, they will give you a prize for that. Okay. Yes. Next is you can dress up as a celebrity. Celebrity means it's like a film stars also. If it is a male or a female. So nowadays you people are very known for the celebrity film stars like Yash or Darshan or Puneet Rajkumar. Those things all. What all the dresses they wear, you will also like to wear, and you can also do the kind of styles. Okay. Yes, in females means many people are there, children. Female means heroine. Hero is Darshan, Puneet Rajkumar, Yash, like that. Okay. And in female means girl heroines, children. Okay. Heroines means like Radhika Pandit or Bharti, or many people are there, children. Okay. Like that, you can dress up like that and you can come down. Okay. Other than that, you have many options like flowers also. Flowers like sunflower. You can dress up a big flower like wearing a dress of a sunflower or a rose, like that. Okay. Next is the vegetables. You can dress up as a carrot. You can dress up as a cabbage, beetroot, turnip. Many things are there. Tomato. Fully it will be in the red color for you. So you'll be looking like a tomato. Okay. Like that. Next is fruits. Okay. So I'll just explain on the board here. Okay. I'll write the few examples for you. Example. Okay. The first one is freedom fighters. Freedom fighters. And the second one is what I told? Celebrities. Celebrities are who do acting in the field, cinema field. Okay. Celebrities. They are celebrities. So next is I told you flowers. Okay. Next I told you about vegetables. Vegetables. And next is fruits. You can dress up as a fruit like apple, banana. Many different fruits are there, children. Now the costume will be available in the shop also. You need not to struggle at home doing this and doing that. Once you go to the shop, they will be hiring dresses for you. Okay, they will give it for the rent. Okay, so these all things, what all you like to wear, you can wear it, children. Okay, like that. Next is a fairy. A fairy, what I said in the last class, angel kind of god is there. She is called as fairy. Okay, like that. Next one. Next one is animals. Okay, animals. This is more beautiful. It looks more beautiful, children. Animals like dog, cat, lion, tiger. Many animals are there. You can just wear the dress like that, and you can go stand in the front of the stage, and just you can do the action like what does the lion does, what does the bear do, and what does the dog do. Dogs also in many different breeds are there. Okay, so whichever you want, you can rent it and you can wear it as a for the competition. Okay, so I explained to you about the fancy dress show. No? Now we'll come back to the lesson. I'll read out this lesson for you. Here in this lesson, you can see 7 children. They are wearing different kinds of dresses, children. I'll explain about them now. Okay. Yes, come to page number 24. It is lesson number 3, a fancy dress show. Here, there is a fancy dress show at school. So, there is a fancy dress show at school. So, many schools, they organize this fancy dress show, children. Okay. So, when sports day, annual day, those things all will come. No, that time this is a small competition they organize. Okay. Some children are taking part in the show. Okay. So, few children are taking part in the show. The teacher is looking at the children. So, they have dressed up now. The children all have dressed up. So, now teacher is asking, are you a teacher? Anu. Yes, I am, says Anu. You look nice. So, teacher is asking, Anu, are you a teacher? Anu says, yes, ma'am. I am a teacher. You look nice. Teacher is telling, you're looking very nice. So, like that. See, I'm a teacher now. I am dressed up now. Okay. So, like that only, same, she is also dressed up there. So, come to the next picture. Next picture is Tina. Her name is Tina. You are a nurse, aren't you? Yes, ma'am, I am, says Tina. So, she has dressed up as a nurse. Where do you see the nurse? In hospitals. Okay. Yes, I have given you few examples on the board, children. Okay, either than this, here also few pictures are there. You can go through that and you can wear the dresses as you like here also. Okay. Next is, you have a guitar. Are you a singer, Deep? Yes, I am, says Deep. Here is a child called Deep. He's holding a guitar in his hand. So he is a singer. Singer means he sings a song. Okay. So I am, says Deep. Aziz. What are you? I am a dancer, says Aziz. Okay, dancer. Dancing is a favorite part for you children. Once you play the song, that too, your favorite song means what you do? You start standing and you start dancing. Whatever comes in your mind, you just keep on dancing. Right now? Like that. Same thing. Here also, Aziz. Aziz name child. What are you? I am a dancer. He's wearing a cap on his head and he started dancing. Like that. Okay? Yes. Come to the next picture. Oh, this is Amit. He is wearing a white coat. He is a doctor, isn't he? Yes, he is. Okay, so, oh, this is Amit. His name is Amit. He is wearing a white coat. So, who is the person who wears the white coat? In the hospitals, you see, no, he is a doctor. So, he'll be having a stethoscope in his neck. So, whenever you fall sick, whenever something happens to you, what do? You go to you rush to the hospital when your fever is there. And if you get a hurt also in your leg or hand, what mommy, papa will do? They will take you to the hospital or small clinic. There, what doctor will be wearing? He'll be wearing a white coat. He checks your whole body. He keeps the stethoscope and see your temperature, everything. They will check, no? Like that. Yes. Next one. And who is this? Oh, this is Rana. He has a gun in his hand. Is he a policeman? So he is a He is having gun in his hand. So they are guessing him. Is he a policeman? He is telling, no, he is not a policeman. He is a soldier. Okay, so what does a soldier do? He protects our country. Like bad people will be coming, no? Like nowadays you will be seeing in the news, children, terrorist attacks. Terrorist means they are the bad people who come and spoil our country. Like that, okay? So military people will save our country like that, okay? So he is a soldier like that. He is not a policeman. He is a soldier. Okay, come to the last picture, children. Where is Bunty? So where is Bunty? He has covered his face and body completely. So we are not able to identify Bunty. I am here, says Bunty. What are you? I am an astronaut. I am going to the moon. Ha ha. He's telling, he's enjoying and telling that, what are you? I am an astronaut. Astronaut is a person who goes to the moon, children. Okay, he goes to the moon in the rocket. With the help of a rocket, he goes there, he lands on the moon, and he does all the researches there. Okay, what all problem is there on the moon? He finds out that. Okay, like that. I am going to the moon. Ha ha. He is enjoying. Like that. Okay. So now I've completed the lesson, children. It's a small, nice lesson about the fancy dress show. Okay. So how many of you, how many children are there in the story I told you? There are 7 of them. First one was a teacher. Yes. I'll just write it on the board. First is a teacher. Second is nurse. Okay. So what is the third picture you saw? Third picture, 2 kids are there. One is Beep. Fourth one is Aziz. Fifth one is Doctor. Sixth one is Soldier. And the last one is astronaut. A-S-T-R-O-N-A-U-T. So the spelling is little bit big, children. Okay, you need to practice nicely. Okay, astronaut. Yes, got it now? So the first one was the teacher. You can see the picture there in the textbook. Okay, she's wearing a green sari. That is the teacher. Second one is the nurse. She's wearing a nurse dress, white dress. Okay. Third one, page number 25. Deep is holding a guitar in his hand. His name is Deep. Dancer is Aziz. Doctor is Amit. Soldier is Rana. And last one, astronaut is Bunty. Okay, got it now, children? Yes, I've completed the lesson now. So I'll just give you an assignment, children. Okay, you need to write it in your English homework book. Okay, yes. Take down your English homework book, children. Copy it now. Totally 16 spellings are there. Write it 3 times, children. Yes. Yes, the first one, assignment, homework. You need to write it as 3 times. Very neatly, okay? So correction part is going to start, children. You need to write it and bring it to the school and take the correction from the teacher. Okay? Yes, the first one. Children, C-H-I-L-D-R-E-N, children. Next is policeman. Policeman. Sorry, children. Policeman. M-A-N. Okay. Third one. Moon. Moon. Okay. Fourth one is nurse. Fifth one is doctor. Sixth one is coat. Come to the seventh one. Teacher. All the spellings are big, children. So write it, read it nicely. Understood? No? If 3 times is not possible for you, at least write 5 to 10 times also, children. Okay. In homework, you write it as 3 times. Make a habit of writing in the rough note at least 5 to 10 times, children. Okay. Yes. Next is white. Ready. Astronaut. Astronaut. Dancer. Yes. Come to the 13th one. Fancy dress. Go through your textbook also, children. If you're not able to understand what I've written on the board, you can see the textbook and you can write your homework. Okay. Yes. Soldier. Guitar. School. Yes. Got it? 16 spellings I've written. I'll just explain you once the spellings. Okay. Yes. It's assignment, homework. You need to write it as 3 times. It is in page number 26, children. The words are in page number 26. I will mention the page number also for you. Yes, page number 26. Yes, you can go through that page number and write the spellings. Okay. Yes, the first one is children. 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 Who are children? You people are the children. Okay. Next is policeman. 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 What does the policeman do? He catches the thieves. Okay. Yes. Next is moon. 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 Where do you see the moon? Yes, in the sky at the night. Okay. Next is NURSE. Nurse. Where do you see nurse? In hospitals. Okay. Fifth one, doctor. DOCTOR. Doctor also will be seeing in hospitals. Okay. Hospitals or clinics. Okay. Next is sixth one is coat. 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 Who wears this coat? Doctor wears the coat. Okay. Even you can also wear, children, but not the white coat. You will be having different colors like that. You can wear it. Okay. Once the winter season starts, mommy will buy you different kinds of jerkin or sweaters. That is also called as coat. Okay. So even you can see your brother, sister is wearing for school and they'll come blazer type. It will be, that is called as coat. Okay. Yes, seventh one. Come to the seventh one. Teacher. TEACHER. So, I'm your teacher. So, I'm your English teacher, children. So, this is my spelling. Okay. Teacher. Next is singer. 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 Singer is the person who sings songs. So, you will be also very familiar. You will be seeing the program Sarigamapa in the Kannada channels, no? There you can see many small children and big persons also will be singing. Those are all singers. Okay. Ninth one, white. 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 White is a color. Okay. 10th one, READY. Ready. So you're getting ready to go somewhere out now. That is called as ready. Okay. Astronaut. ASTRONAUT. Astronaut is the person who goes to the moon in the rocket. Dancer. D-A-N-C-E-R, dancer. I told you it's your favorite part. Once the favorite song is being played in the TV, what you do? You start dancing in your place itself. Okay, that is called as dancer. Come to the next one. 13th one is fancy dress. Fancy dress is a costume where you wear for an occasion or for your parties. Okay. And this is your for competition also. You can wear it and come for the schools or wherever they tell you, you can wear and go there. Fancy dress. Okay. Yes. Next is soldier. Soldier is a person who saves our country, protects our country. Like that. Okay. Next is guitar. Guitar is an instrument. It's an instrument while playing song or they used to play this instrument, that is guitar. Okay, lastly, 16th one is the school. The school is the place where you study and play. That is the school, children. Okay, from past 2 years, I have not be turned up to the school, no. So, very shortly it will be opening for you. So, you can come back to the school very fast, children. Okay, so I'll conclude my class here, children. Okay, so the next class, I'll give you a few exercises. Many exercises are there in this lesson. I'll give you all the exercises in the next class. Be ready with your textbook and with a sharp pencil, children. Okay, I'll see you in the next class. Thank you so much, children.